It's really quite amazing how fragrance can just bring so many amazing memories back and so emotional, right? The holidays are almost upon us, and I was just picking up these fragrance gifting sets.
Ooh, Margiela.
Let's think about who we want to give them to.
Okay, speaking of Margiela, I actually brought... Does this ring a bell?
Oh my God!
It's vintage. This is the first ever perfume that I bought because of you. I remember when you were wearing this and I was maybe 12, 13, 14.
You know, you tried it and it disappeared from my bathroom counter, and the next thing I knew, you know, you were using it.
And then did I buy it or did you give it to me?
I think I gave it to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aw, I've kept it ever since then. It's probably like 10 years old. And now they've completely changed the packaging.
Isn't that amazing? Let's have a look at that.
Let me smell.
This is giving...
By the campsite, the campfire, toasty.
Why do I think of Mimi?
Aww.
Yeah. I mean, I think that she would really
Because
love
Maine,
this.
New England,
Yes,
fall. Yeah.
Yeah. And now I think of the smells from the kitchen when she's in there making all her delicious food. So yeah, maybe we should give this to Mimi. And look, it comes in 3 different sizes. Look how cute this one is.
It's so mini and cute. Love that. This would be perfect in a little small tote.
Yeah.
Just throw it in.
No, tote is that one.
Oh, true,
right,
true,
look.
true.
And that one would be on the bathroom counter. And yeah, beautiful. Or in the guest room maybe. Love it.
All right, Mom, so we have Mimi set, and now I've seen that you just picked out a Versace fragrance set, which I am very intrigued by. I've always wanted to smell a Versace perfume.
You know, wait, okay, open it.
Okay.
Open it, because they are so cute. I mean, look at them.
They're so little.
They're so cute. I mean, they're perfect. Wait, so let's
Pretty
try.
too. Yeah, which one do you want to try first?
Well, my eye is going to the blue one for sure. Oh, this just reminds me of like water and, you know, all those fun trips we had, like kayaking, you know, in the Philippines.
Yeah.
And wait, let me see if it smells like the water. Fresh.
So who do we know?
Wait. Try. It's lovely, isn't it?
This one is a similar scent. I think this one is
I
also
can't
light.
quite get enough
blue.
of it. Let me just put it on without using it all before we give it away.
Don't tell them we opened the sets. Doesn't this one also remind you of like the
sweet.
water? Yeah, I
It's
really like
much
this one,
sweeter.
too.
Pretty. Reminds me a little bit of like the Mediterranean too. And you know, when you were young, we used to take you and your brother to Europe. So I remember, you know, our days of like south of France and Italy, and taking you down and having ice cream with you and sitting at the cafes, because, you know, we are really like foodies. So that reminds me a lot of the Mediterranean.
Wish I remembered that.
Yeah.
So who do we know that we could gift these to?
You know, your aunt, Susie, I feel she loves like these really like light, summery fragrances. I mean, I can just see her, you know, like in her house with that beautiful open balcony and, you know, having her coffee and wearing this, right?
This, yeah.
Look, this smells like her.
That one's very light and subtle.
Beautiful, right?
She would
Actually,
love
quite
that.
a surprise, because I wouldn't think that Versace would make these really light, delicate fragrances.
Ooh, this one too. Also very light.
Wonderful.
Smell this one.
I guess it's just always, you know, like, isn't fragrance something that
It's personal
takes
to
you back
you.
and also takes you back to a time? I mean, like this one too. Also really light. I don't know, I'm getting some kind of like a citrus. I actually think this set is so perfect for your aunt.
Yes, okay. So we have Mimi and Susie covered. Now we just have one more perfume set to gift.
So, it's Flowerbomb.
Classic, tried
look.
and true.
So,
This bottle is
Isn't
stunning.
it? Wait, no, I love the
Wow.
minis. I think it's so
Oh, you
cute.
go for the minis.
So wait, who are you thinking?
I think it has to go to EC, my grandma,
Right.
my dad's mom. Yeah.
Aw. You know I love flowers, right? And this reminds me so much of my mom. You know, and she used to always have flowers in the house, and she was really big with arranging flowers. And I mean, she's not with us now, but this reminds me so much of her that I think I'm going to keep the set for myself. So we'll get something else for your grandma.
Okay.
Happy holidays to me.
You know, we all need something that reminds us of our moms. That's why I bought the perfume, because when I was going away to college and everything, I remember I would like spray that perfume on and wear it, and it would remind me of you. Yeah.
Happy holidays, Mia.
Aw, happy holidays, Mom. Love you.
Love you.